Let's see if we can get into this. I believe this is one of the bottles. And then we got them in one of these. Thank you. And then we got a new pump, because my pump is over there somewhere. We got a new pump, thank goodness. And then this is the other. Other pumps and oils. So as I say, I've already got this one and my brush. That's what it looks like. I've had using it just about before, so here's the Botana oil. That's one. And this is the other one. As I say, and then this is the other one. So, yeah, actually have three. I did have four, but you know. So, yeah. I was thinking of filling this one up again from this bottle, but I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm going to fill it up. Oh, so cold. They are freezing. So let's see if it's pre-diluted. That's good. So yeah, pre-diluted. And then I've got my pimp, which I'm so excited about. And then this can go into here. And pimp it around my hair. You think that I have a lot of hair, but actually don't. And then I'm excited to use my brush. But yeah, that's everything that I get. Yep, I will be using everything. Obviously not yet, because just because. Please get yourself some nature spell, because it does work. I know that it works. So I've tried it on my own hair. So I will be getting that Rapunzel. Try to get the Rapunzel length in my hair, because my hair is short. But yeah, it's so cold. This would be good like under your under eye. I don't know if you put it under your under eye like so. Because it's cold anyway, so you know. Deep puff my eyes, seriously. But anyway, that's my haul. I have like a little bit at the bottom of this, but I might just get rid of it. There is another one I want to get. I want to get the black castor oil. So I've never used this before. So we'll see. We'll see if it works. If not, I have to continue to use it, but get the black castor oil as well as. And then I need the massage brush thingy. Even though I do have one over. Ava, what are we doing here? Wait a minute. That way. Over there somewhere. Over there somewhere. In that basket over there. I do have one. That's my toothpaste piece.